Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video, my friends, I'm going to show you a few things that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this is my recent Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to put a link below to my last video, the 10 areas that you must visit when you go into the Dollar Tree. So I did manage to pick up some of the stickers. These are beautiful stickers that I'm going to use in my planning and my planner. And they're just very nice, you know. Dollar Tree, as I told you before, comes out with really nice stickers. These are the anti-coolant ones. And Dollar Tree comes out with really nice stickers that's good to help in planning, and as I said, to use in other projects as well. And I did get some frozen ones, and this is just stickers that I'm going to be using in my planner as well. I got these because they're cute, and I thought, you know what, I'm thinking long and hard about taking a trip, an adult trip to Disney World. You never know, so I bought these to use in my planner as well. So Mickey Mouse, there's many, 40, 125 each. Now I am due for a new multi-purpose bag, right? And I like to use these because this is one of those cosmetic bags from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Yeah, $1.25. I think these are, yeah, these are $1.25. And as I told you in one of the videos, that Dollar Tree is no longer $1.25 anymore. It's $1.50 where I'm at, but some of these stuff still remain at $1.25. So I think this one was one of them that's $1.25. And these cosmetic bags are good for organizing stuff in your purse, you know. So I bought this just to help me with a little bit of organization in my purse. I'm actually going to put like medications, like painkillers, and just different stuff like that. I can also use this as a multi-purpose, right? So I got myself one of these. It's a nice design, nice pink, and I thought that was pretty, so I got myself one of these. And in the same aisle, got these. You saw this in one of my videos as well, and this is the cotton rounds. These are very nice to clean your nails with, and also very nice to clean off your makeup with. They're very cool, and this is 100% cotton, and this is what I love about these ones. This is why I always get them at the Dollar Tree. These are large ones, and you get, let me see how many you get in there. I don't know if it tells me how many is in here. I don't see it. Maybe it's somewhere, because I don't have my glasses on. Right? So anyways, I got some cotton rounds, and I'm going to use this to clean my makeup off and also to clean my nails with. Okay. And I did get some of these small 100% pure cotton to also help with my nail situation there. And I always make sure I get some of these. I also got myself some of these, my friends. These are multi-purpose clips, and I use these for everything, honestly. It does say here for food storage, small toys, craft supplies, and paper files. And honestly, it is very, very good, because I use this, you know, when you open a bag of chips, you use, oh, I think I need 2 hands for this. So here they are. So when you open a bag of chips, you use these to kind of seal the top to keep it in the covers and stuff. So it's really, really nice to have. And I also use mine to tie up, to keep my drapes together like this. So it just holds the drapes in place. So this is why I bought these, and I bought 2 packs of these. Some of them do have magnets in the back that you can use them to hold things in place on the fridge, and I got 2 different designs. So these ones, and then these ones as well. These are multi-purpose clips. And yeah, okay. And then I bought a eyeglass cord, and I find when I'm doing my Ubering, right, I wear glasses for reading only, and I find that I cannot keep my glasses in place, or I always take them off and then can't find them. So I figure if I get a eyeglass cord and you know, have it dangling, I guess, or have it in place so that when I do drop my glasses, like I do, you know, use my glasses, I can just have it hanging and know that it's there instead of every time I'm taking it off my face and then I can't find it. So the eyeglass cord is a good thing when you're doing some Ubering. You know, just keep that in mind to keep your glasses in place. I'm almost done, my friends. Ooh, the apple crisp mix. I got myself a box of this. I just, you know, it was there and I thought, okay, let me just grab another box. And I do have a recipe for apple crisp. And honestly, this package, it says grandma recipe. It's so delicious, my friends. Go and try it and let me know what you think. And I'm going to put the recipe to this below. So apple crisp, and I got myself a box of these. Now, I love scalloped potatoes, but I've never had the ones from the Dollar Tree. So you're going to see a video coming out with me using this scalloped potatoes. So stay tuned for that one. And it's creamy, and I just love scalloped potatoes. So I managed to pick up 2 of these to use it in the upcoming video. Okay, my friends, I haven't done any cooking in a while, so I'm going to be cooking up lots of nice cooking videos coming your way. Okay, so scalloped potatoes, home creamy home style sauce. And I mean, I can make my own, have made it before, but I just wanted to try the Dollar Tree brand. Okay. And did you know that the Dollar Tree is now selling these exotic like foods from, you know, different countries, and I love it. This is butter chicken. Our recipe's coming up. This is $1.50. See, the $1.50 is now shining through, my friends. As I said, it's no longer $1.25 at the Dollar Tree that I am at. And so I bought myself a small butter chicken sauce, and I'm going to be using it in an upcoming recipe so you can see it. And we're going to be, yeah, featuring this sauce. Okay. So, I'm almost done. And, oh yeah, as I told you before, I cannot go through the doors without stopping at the candy aisle and get myself some chocolate. And of course, I got myself some glasses. $1.50. Oh my gosh. Now, is it still worth it? Because as I said, some of the supermarkets, you can almost get these for 99 cents. So you gotta have to watch and see. It's, you know, a little bit, you know, going up in price a little bit. And so I got some Eat Mores. I don't think I've ever had Eat Mores, but I'm gonna try it. Let me know if you've tried Eat More chocolate and do you like it? And of course, O. Henry and Mr. Big. And Mr. Big used to be so popular years ago. I used to love this chocolate. I've since moved up to M&M Peanuts. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites. And Reese's Pieces. Yeah, Reese's Cups is now my favorite, actually. So yes, I got these from the Dollar Tree. And that is, how much did I spend? Oh my gosh, here is the bill. And I spent $25.36. It is pretty pricey. See, my friends, some things, the scalloped potato was only $1.25. You see, some things are still $1.25, but yeah, oh, lots of stuff are still $1.25. But some are definitely $1.50. And that's basically it, my friends, my little Dollar Tree haul. And lots of videos coming up. Thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.